welcome back to the GolfCartStuff.com YouTube channel. Today we are going to address a common question we get about our new Instamatic FlexVolt light kits. And that question is, do your light kits really work on 12 to 48 volts without a voltage reducer? And the answer to that is yes, they do. Today we're going to tackle that head on, show you the voltage range that they work on, and give you a quick peek here. So we've got our headlights right here. All right, we've got driver and passenger, we've got our tail lights. And just to show you that we don't have any voltage reducer hooked up on this, right? Here's the wiring, goes to the tail lights, comes through. We've got our power connections here that would typically go on a battery. We're going to use this machine right here to show you, right? Comes on over, you've got your push-pull switch right here and headlight connectors. No voltage reducer hooked onto this wiring anywhere, all right? As you can see right here, we're putting out just a little over 12 volts. The push-pull switch is already pulled. So when I connect positive, what happens? We get power. Full power here, no problem. This is common though. This is what most golf cart lights run on, is 12 volts. So let's do this. Take it off, crank that. As high as we can get on this machine. So we're looking at about 30 volts right here. All right, so this would typically burn out most light kits that you have on the market. If they don't have a voltage reducer, this will burn it out. So same process, already have it pulled. I take the power, I connect it. What do we have? Full light kits, nothing burned out. No issues whatsoever. So that's up to 30 volts. Maybe some of you are wondering, yeah, but that's not 48. Do you really work on 48? Well, we're gonna show you on a golf cart right now. Let's test this light kit on 48 volts. Come on! All right, let me get her in here. Let me show you something in here. So if you take a look, in here we have the Uno lithium battery. This works on 48 volts. As you can tell, it's the only battery in there. Powers the whole cart, one battery. Got our voltmeter here, jumping all over the place because I don't have it connected to anything. As you can tell, we have our junction box down here for the battery. So if I take the positive, get on the positive wire, ground it out in our cart, you should see it's going to jump here to about 49, almost 50 volts, okay, coming out of this battery. So this is pumping out a lot of juice, and we're going to get our lights connected to it so you guys can see, even at about 49 volts. You know, our lights are rated for 48 volts, and we're good to go. Coming off a 48 volt system, okay? Gonna get a little jump just because there's sparks in here. But as you can see, when I make a positive connection here, we've got full 49.9 volts going into this, no voltage reducer, and still getting lights. So there you have, folks. Like we said, we tested on 12 to about 32 volts over here. We got a full 49 going in over here. Tested on the lights. Wanted to show you guys our lights work on any voltage range, 12 to 48. No voltage reducer needed, saving you time and money. Any other questions, leave them in the comments. Shoot us an email and we'll be back in touch with you. This is a labor of love, folks. Labor of love. Gotta get these tiny screws out. I'm sweating bullets in here. There we go. All right, all right. Sorry, I'm sweating.